Exercise 2.3, question 4. On dividing this polynomial by another polynomial gx, that means gx is the divisor, while this first one is our dividend. So let's set things straight right from the beginning. On doing this division, they're saying the quotient and remainder were these respectively. That means the quotient was x minus 2 and the remainder was minus 2x plus 4. Respectively just tells you the first thing is the first thing, second thing is the second thing. And the question is find the polynomial gx, which was what? Find the divisor. That's it. Now all you need to do here is know the relationship between these four entities. Whenever you divide one polynomial by another, say you're dividing px by gx, which is exactly the situation we have here, it always satisfies this equation, which is really nothing but the dividend is equal to divisor times quotient plus remainder, and this remainder is either 0, in which case the divisor is a proper factor of the dividend, or the degree of the remainder is definitely less than the degree of the divisor. Otherwise you can't stop dividing, you would keep going on. So let me just use this relationship here. And what is px for me, by the way? Px is this, the dividend that we had in the beginning. So if I write down this relationship, what am I going to see? So first of all, on the left hand side you have px. This is your entire px. Then it says it is equal to gx times qx. Okay, gx I don't know, so I'll have to write down the same thing, times quotient, which is x minus 2, and then we're adding rx to this, which is minus 2x plus 4. So this is the relationship I have. Now what I will do is I will simplify this and see how I can get gx, because remember the question is find the divisor. This will work like any other equation you must have schooled ever since school. For example, you have x equal to, or let me take another one. Say you have 10 is equal to 3x plus 5. How do you get x here? You take everything else to the other side and leave 10 alone here. So first of all, you take the 5 there, you subtract it, and then you divide by 3. We're following the same process here. So first what I'm going to do is I am going to subtract this entire thing on the left side. Why subtract? Because on this side it is being added. So when this goes to the left hand side, what am I going to have? Again, the same px first of all, and then from that, be very careful, you will subtract the entire remainder. Don't change the signs inside this bracket. What changes is just this plus sign as it goes to the left. Now on the right hand side, all you're left with is gx multiplied by x minus 2. Now let's see, let's simplify the left side before we move on. Alright, so here I have done the simplification. First of all, this minus and this minus came together to become a plus, and this minus and this plus came together to become a minus. And then I simplified this, and now this is what your left side is. You cannot simplify it any further. The right hand side I copied down as it is. Remember now, the goal is to get gx. What are you going to do? Right now, we have multiplied x minus 2 with gx. So something which is multiplied on one side, if you want to take it to the other side, what will happen? On the other side, it goes and becomes division, right? So it's going to be this entire polynomial divided by x minus 2. Let me write that down. There you go. So this way, all you know is to find gx, you just have to perform this division. And you know what division is, how we divide, because we've done a lot of questions in this. Let me do this. In fact, let you try. Let's have you try this first. Pause the video, try this division, and then when you play it, you will see my solution on screen. Alright, I hope you tried. Check out this entire division. Pause the video again if you want to check every single step of this. When you divide finally, the quotient should come out to be this, x squared minus x plus 1. And this is exactly what you were looking for. So this is your final answer for gx. And we are done.